Oh, hey, didn't see you there. How's it going? My name's Chad. I heard you needed someone to teach you how to motion track. I think I'm the guy to teach you. So let's get into it. What you're gonna need is some After Effects, Buju, and Cinema 4D to do this. This is an advanced tutorial, and hopefully you guys have those programs to use. And let's open up our After Effects, and we have I got some live recording here, some cinematics. Let's drop that down, make a new composition. And before I keep rattling on about stuff, let's first remember our frame rate, 59.94 FPS. Remember that? That's very important to remember. And what you want to do too is make sure your composition settings is 59.94 FPS, okay? Now let's go and find the part of the video where you want it to stop rendering at the end of the video. I'm just going to go around here. And now press N on your keyboard and now close your workspace. Basically, what you just told After Effects is that you want this part to be rendered. This part to be rendered only. Okay, now let's go over to composition, add to render queue. Go over to your output module, and let's change this to JPEG sequence. Boom, boom. Let's open up our output, and let's create a new folder. Let's see, new folder. Doesn't matter what you call it. I'll just call it tutorial, I guess, and let's create it. Save it there, and there you go. And let's render. And if you want your render to go faster, press caps lock, and your render will render a lot faster. That's the end of the After Effects part, and I'll see you guys in Buju. Hey guys, welcome back. This is the Buju part of the video, and let's get into it. Go over to your toolbox, go to import sequence, and I want you to find where you save the folder. I saved it to my desktop. And what you want to do is click the first frame of all of these frames you created. Okay, so 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, and it's open. What you want to do is change the frame rate to 59.94 to the frame rate that you changed your or you rendered your footage in. Let's click apply and hit close, and voila, there you go. Your footage is now imported into Buju. Now, a lot of people forget about this, and this is very important. A lot of people probably don't know this, that there's a glitch in Buju. I know it's in Buju 5. I'm not sure about Buju 4, but I know it's in 5. What you want to do is go to your task view. Under cameras, under camera 1, double click on sequence 1. And what is this? Look at this, frame rate 25. I don't know why it does this, but you have to change it or it's going to screw up everything. Okay, now let's hit apply, close, and there we go. We should be good now to go to track features, all frames, and start. This should probably take about 5-6 minutes maybe, but I'll pause the video and I'll see you guys when it's done. Okay guys, now that your footage is now tracked, you can now go up to camera solve and hit start. This process should take very quickly. It should be very fast. If it takes a long time, then there's something wrong with your footage. Maybe the frame rates, your frame rate's kind of messed up or it's off. But there we go. Or there's our track points. Looks pretty good. And now, after your camera solve, now you want to go up to scene geometry. Basically, we're gonna tell Cinema 4D what the floor is on Cinema 4D. And what you want to do is go up to add coordinate from hint and boom, and change the type to z-axis. This is pretty much up and down. So what I'm gonna do is to select. Let's say I'm gonna select this dot by clicking on it, and then if you hold Control or Command, you can head over to this dot to highlight, and those are the two dots I'm choosing, and hit connect to connect or whatever. Boom, and let's add another coordinate. This one's to be our x-axis, and this is like a cross. So I'm gonna choose, I guess this dot, and I'm gonna choose this yellow dot, and let's hit connect to select. Add one more coordinate. This is our origin. Basically, it's just a dot close to where you want the center to be. I'm just gonna choose this one, connect, and you're done. Make sure you update your coordinate frame. Make sure you update that. Make sure it's clicked on and it's closed. And you're all done with Buju. All you have to do is export it now. And to do that, go up to export, export camera solve, save it as a Cinema 4D file. I'm gonna save mine to my desktop. Just so it's easy to find my desktop. And I'll just call it poop. But oh, there's already one called poop. Wait, poop 2. Save. Now let's head over to see this thing. It says use format default la da da uncheck mark. Change the start index to 0. And let's change the scale scene by 100. Make sure you remember this. A lot of people forget, and it just screws everything all the hard work they've done just screws everything over. Let's click save. Boom. It's gonna save. Okay, and then now you want to open the file in Cinema 4D, and I'll see you guys there. Hey guys, are you ready for some crazy ass Cinema 4D motion tracking? Okay, well I am, and what you want to do is go over to File, Open, and let's open up the video. The Cinema 4D file you just created, and let's open it up. Leave scale to as 10 as default, and let's hit OK. As you can see, the footage is now motion tracked, as you see by the floor. It's moving, grooving and stuff, and you can see all these points in the background that look really stupid, but don't worry about them. They're there for no certain reason. I'm not sure why, but they are. Let's create new material by double clicking on this little box down here. Let's click the material. Let's get rid of this spec. Color. Let's go over to load image. What you want to do is find the folder where you saved the original After Effects JPEG sequence and click the first photo, like 00000. Click the first one and let's hit open. And it'll give you this little message, be like la 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 la. Hit no, and let's click on this little tab. Click animation and calculate. Voila, there we go. And now let's head over to here and let's make a new background. Let's drag the material onto the background. And bazanga, there we go. We got some motion track scene kind of thing, all 3D now. And let's go to MoGraph, Motex, and let's just move it. And let's shrink it down a bit because it's a bit too big. And let's just call it whatever. You can call it whatever you want. I'm going to call it Chad. You can change the depth a little bit. And let's move it a bit. I'm going to make an in-depth tutorial on how to do really cool materials and how to do really cool shadows that match your scene. And I'll do a tutorial on that later. But this is how you motion track with After Effects, Buju, and Cinema 4D. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please leave a like and show some support. And I'll talk to you guys soon. See ya.